This is the Oraimo Freepods LITE. It's a toned down version of the Oraimo Freepods Pro. It doesn't have active noise cancellation or transparency mode like the Oraimo Freepods Pro, but actually in some ways it is better than the Oraimo Freepods Pro. The Freepods LITE uses the latest Bluetooth version 5.3. It has fast charging, it works with the Oraimo Sound app, and who doesn't like this translucent design? Inside the box, we get the welcome guide, additional sized ear tips, a Type-C port, and finally the Freepods LITE. All this will cost you just 11,000 naira, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing every aspect of the Oraimo Freepods LITE to find out if it's worth it and if you should buy it. Let's get started. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Before we get into the review, if you are new to our channel or you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so that you get notified once we post new review videos just like this one. Okay, so I found an Oraimo coupon code that you can use to get a discount on any of Oraimo's products, including the Oraimo Freepods LITE. Simply use this coupon code during the checkout process. Don't worry about any limitations. You can use the code as many times as you like. It is valid for multiple uses. Just make sure to take a screenshot or maybe note it down somewhere safe. You can also find the code in the video description and in the pinned comment. Now keep in mind that the price of the Oraimo Freepods LITE has risen from 9,500 naira to 11,000 naira in just 1 month due to the depreciating naira. So if you wish to purchase the Oraimo Freepods LITE or any other Oraimo product, do it as soon as possible before the price increases further, and make use of the coupon code provided to enjoy a discount. You're welcome. So the Oraimo Freepods LITE has a translucent design which looks really cool. You can actually see some of the internal components of the Freepods LITE. At the side, we see the Oraimo branding, and at the bottom is a charging contact point. The LED of the case also has the translucent design. We see the LED indicator and the Oraimo branding right at the front, and at the bottom is a Type-C port for charging. The Freepods LITE has IPX4 waterproof rating, so splashes and sweat won't damage it. Pairing up the earbuds is easy. Just open up the case, then go to your Bluetooth settings and connect. It uses Bluetooth version 5.3, which is the latest Bluetooth version, so connection is strong and the range is also good. For most people, this earbud provides a comfortable fit and is highly enjoyable. However, as I mentioned in my Oraimo Freepods 4 review, in-ear earbuds don't sit well with my ears. I have a preference for half in-ear earbuds like the Oraimo Freepods 3C. If you're in a similar situation where in-ear earbuds aren't too comfortable for you, I would recommend the Oraimo Freepods 3C or the Oraimo Reef 2 instead. Again, most people will find the Freepods LITE to be incredibly comfortable. You might even prefer it. Unfortunately for me, when I wear them even just for a few minutes, they start to itch and they tend to fall out of my ear. The sound quality of the Oraimo Freepods LITE is exceptional. It delivers a similar sound signature to the much more expensive Oraimo Freepods Pro. 4 times more expensive actually. The mids and vocals are impressive, the high notes are clear and crisp, the bass is also of high quality. I tested these earbuds with various genres of music and even watched a movie, and I must say that the sound quality is consistently impressive. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate it an 8 for sound quality. I'm assessing its performance in relation to its price, so yeah, 8 over 10. Additionally, you have the option to customize the sound using the equalizer in the Oraimo Sound app. You can download the app either from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once installed, simply click on the equalizer and choose one of the pre-existing templates. Alternatively, if you are familiar with an equalizer, you can create your own custom settings. If you're looking for enhanced bass performance, you can select the heavy bass option. Hey guys, so this is what it will sound like if you're using the Oraimo Freepods LITE to make a call. They're just in my ears right now, and this is what the Oraimo Freepods LITE microphone sounds like. So let me know what you think of the microphone's audio quality in the comments below. Customizing the touch controls is a breeze with the Oraimo Sound app, allowing you to set it up as per your preferences for music control or for volume control. However, without tinkering with any settings, a double tap of any earbud pauses and resumes playback, also used to answer calls. A long press for 1 second on the right earbud will take you to the next track, and long press on the left earbud will take you to the previous track. You can also long press to reject a call. Furthermore, if you tap the right earbud 3 times, you activate Google Assistant or you reject an incoming call. And to activate game mode, tap on the left earbud 3 times. With the Oraimo Sound app, you can monitor the battery percentage of both earbuds and the case. The app also lets you toggle game mode with ease. Now, battery life on the Oraimo Freepods LITE is impressive, with 40 mAh battery on each earbud and 500 mAh battery on the case. With a single charge, you can enjoy music playback for 7 hours on the Oraimo Freepods LITE, and the case can recharge the earbuds up to 4 times more, which provides additional 33 hours, making a total of 40 hours, which is just incredible. Charging is also pretty fast. It takes 1.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100%, and thanks to the Anifast fast charging technology, just 10 minutes of charging can provide you 120 minutes of music listening. So that's my review of the Oraimo Freepods LITE. In conclusion, the Freepods LITE offers a compelling alternative to its Pro counterpart, the Oraimo Freepods Pro. While it may lack features like the active noise cancellation and transparency mode, it makes up for it in other ways. With the latest Bluetooth version 5.3, fast charging capabilities, compatibility with the Oraimo Sound app, and a stylish translucent design, the Oraimo Freepods LITE is a worthy contender. The IPX4 waterproof rating ensures durability, and the sound quality is exceptional, rivaling even more expensive earbuds. With a total battery life of up to 40 hours and quick charging times, the Oraimo Freepods LITE is a reliable companion for all-day use. And with the coupon code, now is the perfect time to take advantage of a discount on this fantastic earbud. And if you're in the market for an affordable, feature-rich earbuds, the Oraimo Freepods LITE is definitely worth considering. Hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see me in my next video.